Okay. I don't care about the people. Okay.
Exactly.
Seriously.
That's what you need
So,
if you want to learn. No, like people will start from these particular things. People who started with small.
okay, great. My question is over here. Okay. And now I just wanted to know one thing like, okay, as you said, you don't wanted to share about your work, like what, but actually, I don't wanted to know even like what actually you do. But like, can
Yeah.
you give the brief, like what you do,
I can
like
tell
a
you that.
person?
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Hmm.
Do you know about a content moderator? A content moderator responsibility is all about, say that social media, user generated content. Okay.
Hmm.
Uh, I mean, we are supposed to filter it if any harmful content or any something else, we are supposed to remove it. So at the same time, like there is applications and all. So we'll do the same thing. Like we'll filter the data and we'll do that's it.
I think I got it. Like the content, like you used to get a content and you have to filter that content.
Exactly. Filter content is not, I mean, user generated content, which means you are posting something on YouTube, right? I mean, right now
Hmm.
you're recording a video, you'll post this on YouTube, and there will be some people. I mean, the job is to look your video, and I mean, if any harmful or SC content, sexual content, or any gambling or any something else,
Acha,
they
you
will.
used to
Yeah,
take care of those such kinds of content.
exactly. They'll remove and or else they'll escalate or they'll reject or they'll approve. It's all depends upon them. So
Okay, got it, man. Got it. Got it. Got it. Great. Yeah. Now I'm end up with everything, man. Okay. Uh, I had prepared a lot here. Okay, okay. I have one section. Okay. Like as you said, like you wanted to be a web developer and you are having the course with the web development and all. So
see,
how?
I'm doing a course. I'm not expecting to be getting a good job in that particular field. But the thing is, I am just trying to learn something because knowledge never get waste. And even I can create my own website. I can work as freelancer as well. And I can even teach people. I
Okay.
can even take classes. There will be a lot of alternate things.
So
If I'm
how
learning
long?
something,
Yeah, how long you have learned? Like how much you have learned in web development? Like
no, actually, it's just, I mean, my initial days are going like I'm just, I mean, beating around like foundations. That's it.
like HTML or something like that.
Yeah, HTML. HTML,
What's
CS. I mean, I might start CSS going forward and Java as well. But right now, I'm just going to be like, only foundations. That's it.
actually in my sixth semester? Like I'm in a sixth semester right now, and they have introduced the web development course.
Hmm.
And I was very interested to do this. So, but I get into something data science course. So I'm
Yeah.
pursuing the data science
It's
course
good
online.
actually. What are you studying? I just want to ask you. I mean,
I'm a computer science student. Okay, sixth semester right now. Just entered like this week. End up with the sixth semester classes.
how old are you?
21 almost.
One. Great man. In 21 years, you started in YouTube channel. Actually, you are actually a bit
Arre,
uh, advanced than me. And going
arre,
forward, when
not like
you
that.
come to no, you come to my age, like you'll be so fluent. Definitely, don't worry. And right now, I can see your, I mean, excitement feeling and the way you talk. And I hope this. I mean, people might think what these people are doing on videos and all, like these are initial steps. I mean,
Do you
a
know one
small
thing?
step
Uh,
will make a
you know,
great.
okay. I don't care about the people. Okay,
Exactly.
seriously.
That's what you need
So
if you want to learn. No, like people will start from these particular things. People who started with small mobile smartphones where the camera is not good, but right now they have a good accessories, good assets where they can handle with a very good. So obviously, going forward, who knows? You might be like that because see, it is like.
uh,
um a small steps is all about it matters a lot going forward it
yeah,
matters a lot.
from
Yeah,
if you
it's
wanted
good
to reach
actually. You
somewhere, you have
stay
to start.
continue, don't be like don't break your barriers. I mean, just because of your barriers, don't stop. Just do it. It's okay. Don't expect any results. Result will come as, I mean, as far as you are good at your consistency, result automatically will come up. You can see results. You will get the recognition. You know, like I tell you, like just be consistent and very honest towards your work, and do parallelly, but don't skip your studies or do only stick with this particular thing parallelly. Like I feel like having a two source of income is really important. Okay, even if
More
you keep
than, yeah,
with
more than
one,
one.
it should be one with you. So during your studies you started YouTube channel. So who knows, after your studies you might get a job, even your YouTube get viral, and even you will get a good income
How?
from
Yeah,
it.
that is the another thing. But I don't have any expectation. I just do these things for improve myself. As you talk about the grouping things and all, so same like that. And before I used to record the videos by myself and keep in my phone, but I feel like why should not I upload on the YouTube and do something interesting, meet with the people and know their journey and all. So it will give me a lots of knowledge and information. So that way I started, and it is really hard to impress the people. Okay, on the audio call everyone is fine, but the coming forward on the video call, it's not everyone cup of tea. Okay, so yeah, that is the reason. But yeah, I'm able to
So
do. I'm able to communicate with the people and convince them to come here. Even my YouTube channel is not big, so you will come and you will be famous and all. Nothing is like that. I think there is more than 100 subscribers. But yeah, I'm just trying to improve myself. I don't bother about subscribers, likes, views, whatever. Just I'm
even I am
uploading.
the same.
Not.
uh,
Hmm.
Even I was in the same thought. If I'm coming here, if I'm talking to you, even I might get some knowledge, even I might get some new things from you. So that's the reason beyond coming here and talking to you, and it was really great talking to you. And I can tell you honestly, like I can take you as my co-admin as well going forward. I'll tell you, I'll let you know, because it will be a
Okay.
great opportunity if you run a group, and even if you have some things in your mind where you can put it on YouTube and forward it to our group, and I mean make them to like very good platform, so that getting some informative things and as well. So
And
definitely
definitely.
I'll let going forward. And obviously now like we'll take only less people in the group, like 20 to 25 limit, so that that will never go as kind of school group, or college group, or just a fun group. It is an educational group, there will be a limit. So obviously once I filter people and I enter new admins, and I have a few six groups, something like that. Just in process I'm searching for people. So and now, in order to search a people, even we need some good admins where they can contribute time for free.
I'll be
So
there. Don't worry.
yeah, definitely. Thanks for that. And great, man. We'll try to end up this session, because
Yeah,
it will.
exactly. And it was the first session which I had this much long conversation. See, I wasn't expected. I thought yeah, 20-25 minutes will be like that, but seriously, man, I found you very interesting. Okay. As I had a conversation first time, that time I didn't realize that, but seriously, man, great. Hats off.
Thank you so much for that. And
Okay. Then yeah, anything else?
nothing. What's your channel name?
I'll send you.
Yeah, okay, fine. So that's all about it. And I just want you to tell people who are watching, it doesn't matter how much people will watch your video. It's irrespective how much number. It might be one or two or three. It's all about learning a language. It's all about learning things. So even you can do this. So I tell you, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to be notified each and every update on a regular basis, and support him. I'm
Thank
telling
you,
on
bro.
behalf of him. So thank you very much for listening to us till
Okay.
very up to the end. Bye bye.
Okay, man. Then bye bye. See you.